this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become strength in time.
That I face from the start, I use as a stone to sharpen the blade of my heart. With this blade, I'm gonna cut myself free on these nets that would bind and keep me. 'Cause from this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become sting in time. Yeah, I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. No, I gotta walk a proud line. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. Yeah, I gotta walk a proud line. Oh, my pain is a seed of knowledge I must sow. With blood, sweat and tears, into wisdom it will grow. Ghost of insecurity, you bent me enough, now let me be. You can't keep me down, 'cause through these struggles I only gain the strength and the wisdom to see me through. Your storms of lightning, thunder and rain, from this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become sting in time. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. I gotta walk a proud line. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gotta walk a proud line. I was born to seek.
So willing, yet my flesh is so weak.
I don't know, just don't know. This is a promise I can keep. No 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 no